Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with a kitchen refresh shopping haul. So let's get started. Okay, friends, so let's jump right into the things that I purchased. They're from a variety of places. And like I said, I'm in that mode of just kind of going through different spaces in my home and really assessing, the space and refreshing it. And I always like doing that within my space so that it always feels fresh to me and I always stay in love with my home. And, organizing our home is no different than cleaning or decorating. You can't clean your home just once a year and expect it to stay clean. It's the same with organization. You need to stay on top of it so that things stay organized and give it little refreshes. It doesn't mean that you change the system. It's just that you tweak it or freshen it up to be even better than what it was. And that's what I'm going through and doing now. So let's get started with the haul. So to start, let's start with what's right in front of me. Kitchen towels. Friends, let me tell you. If there's one thing that I can go through, and if you've been my friend for a while, I go through my kitchen towels. I am brutal with my kitchen towels. And so I needed some more. I just needed some. And then they tend to get missing sometime. And so I needed to load up. And I just loaded up because I found these beautiful white kitchen towels for $7.99 for a set of 4. And these were actually found in TJ Maxx. And then, so I loaded up, I got 2 of them. And then I also, when I was in Home Goods, I saw the gray and the white, which you all know, the gray and white is what I have in my kitchen. It's from Target. I'm sorry, this is not from Home Goods. This is actually from Target. So another thing that I found when I was in Marshall's the other day, and it was this Meyer Lemon Kitchen Refresh and Odor Eliminator in that lemon flavor. And I love using lemon to refresh the kitchen. So if I have a diffuser for my kitchen and I always use lemon essential oil. So I thought this was neat. But I got 2 of them because I think what I want to do is I want to decant this one and I want to put my countertop spray in one and then keep the air freshener for the kitchen in the other because the packaging was so beautiful. And I thought, I store my kitchen cleaning products under my sink and I'm going to share that video with you this week too. And I think it would be just gorgeous. So the packaging sold me. I was like, I can use this as my dispenser. So you'll be seeing that under my sink soon. And so those are mostly what I got from Marshall's. Now I did go by Lowe's and I got some shelf liner because I need to reline shelves. And again, it goes back to that organization and refreshing. It's been some years, a lot of years since I have lined my shelves in my kitchen. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to refresh that and do that. Okay, so the next items I have are from a company called Pampered Chef. It's not sponsored. I actually had a Pampered Chef party for my friend girl, Lisa. We were friends. We were military spouses together in the UK and in New Jersey. We were both stationed in New Jersey and UK together. And she started selling Pampered Chef, which if you're not familiar with it, it's houseware, cookware, kitchen gadgets and all of that, but it's great quality. And you've seen it in my kitchen, even if you didn't know that's what it was. But, back in England, I went to so many Pampered Chef parties. I just love their products. And so when she started selling, she asked if I would host a party. So I hosted a party and had a blast. It was a virtual party, by the way, because they're doing virtual parties now. But I shopped. I kind of went because I hadn't seen Pampered Chef in years. And then when I saw the new catalog, I was like, there was so much stuff. I was like, I went happy. Good thing about it, I was having a party, so I did get some points. So I got some freebies, but I did spend a lot of money on some kitchen stuff. But, my kitchen will be definitely refreshed. And these are tools that I really can use in my kitchen. So let me share them with you. Okay. So one thing that I love here are these, I'm calling them measuring cups. And I know Pampered Chef have the names for all of their items. I will link them down below, but I love this. This is actually the 4 cup. And what I love about it is that it has the lid. Now I have the standard Pyrex. I've had it for years. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch out my Pyrex for this because I love that they have not only the 4 cup, but look at this, friends. Look at this baby. You can mix your whole cake up in this thing. This is so cute. And this is actually the 8 cup. It is humongous And again, it has the lid, which I think the lid is a great, because if you're making up something and you want to save it and put it in the fridge, it has the lid to cover it. So this is really, I was excited about that. So again, I'm refreshing the Pyrex. I'm moving on to my mom. By the way, she loves shopping my items as I move them along. So, and then I'll refresh mine with the lid. I got was an actual appliance, and it is an ice cream maker. And I never had an ice cream maker, and I thought this would be so fun for Mike and I to make our own ice cream. You know, Mike and I recently joined Weight Watchers. We're trying to slim down from the weight we've gained over the past year, 2 years for me, and it just seems like it's not going away. And so we're really trying to focus on eating healthier, and Weight Watchers, you know, it worked before for me as far as kind of training me or just kind of helping me eat better. And so we decided to join that again. Not sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to mention that because we want to make our own ice cream, and then we can kind of control what we put in it and the ingredients and things like that. So this is just a cute little appliance, ice cream maker, and I have a space in my pantry for it already identified. So I'm excited to put this to use, and I probably will do a video sharing with you how I make it. Mike and I are getting ready to make the Wendy's Frosty, but we're going to make it so that it's not as fattening, and so maybe I'll share that in a video with you. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in seeing anything with this, but I'm excited about that. So friends, I'm really excited about these next two because these are actually serving dishes, and they're insulated. So what happens is you cook those mashed potatoes or you cook that dinner and you sit it in a bowl and you sit it on the table. Next thing you know, it's cold. Well, these will keep your food hot for several hours. So you can put it on the table, put dinner on the table, and if the kids and everyone takes forever to get to the table, the food is still hot. So I thought that these were phenomenal, and I'm really excited about these. I actually really want to get another set of these so that I can really use them around the holidays too. These are great. And so I got them in the 2 different sizes. I think you can get them as a set. I think you can get them as a set or not, but I'll put them below and you can check it out. Again, I'll put Lisa's information below. I don't get anything from it. This is not sponsored, but if you're interested in Pampered Chef, I can tell you that it lasts and I love it. So I will just put it below if you're interested in checking it out. But I love these. Okay, friends, so the next thing I'm excited about is my new cast iron pans here. You can cook on the stove with them. They're heavy. You can cook on the stove with them, or you can cook in the oven, and they are actual cast iron, but they are beautiful. You don't have to season them, which is the great thing, and really, I like that. And I love the fact that I can cook on the stovetop with them. I can put them in the oven, and they will give me what I need as far as a cast iron pan. And I got 2 different sizes here. They're heavy, so I'm gonna lift this one. This is a smaller one here, and this is the larger one here. And so it's so sweet. You know, my mom was diagnosed with cancer last December, not this past December, but the one before. She's in remission now, so that's, you know, wonderful. And she's recovering, and each day she's getting better. But the thing that has happened in that year of struggle is my dad, he was a man that I don't think I've ever seen him cook anything. And now he stays in the kitchen. He loves his kitchen. The kitchen used to be my mom's thing. It is no longer her thing. It is my dad's thing. I mean, he cooks real food. He's not just doing just the kind of box macaroni and cheese kind of deal. He's cooking real food. And so he actually ordered the pans. He actually ordered the pans for his kitchen. So I thought that was really neat. And I never thought I would have, out of all the things you would have thought my dad would buy in my lifetime, if you would have said pots and pans, I would have said absolutely not. But yes, he bought some pans. And so he ordered from my party and he got that. So I thought that was neat. But I love those. And then I got new mixing bowls. Now, I was super excited about these because I needed new mixing bowls. My bowls were looking awful. I had beat those poor things up over the years, and so I have this 3 set here, and it's actually lidded. So I love that it has the lid on it. Now, I do wish the lids were white, I have to admit, to match the kitchen, but I absolutely love it, and I know these will last. I love that they have the little hole here because it's easy to hold. My last ones didn't have that, but this makes it so easy to kind of, when you're stirring and things like that, it gives you a little grip to hold onto your bowl. So I thought that this was really neat here. Okay, friends, so the next thing that I wanted to refresh in my kitchen was my baking pans. I had a bundt pan, but it was starting to get really bad, really rusted, really bad. I didn't even want to cook out of it anymore. And so I said, you know what? This is the time for me to do it. And look at the color on the back. You guys know how I love that color. And so it's just really beautiful. It's basically the same look of the butt pan that I had before. It's just this one has that beautiful accent that, you know, I have that little gray and white in my kitchen, but you also see these little accents of this blue, turquoise rather, in there. And so I got the butt pan. The other pan that I got was the butt pan, and it is so adorable. This is perfect for the holidays. It's perfect if you want to make that special little birthday bundt cake. I'm so excited about this. I thought this was a neat one to have in my kitchen collection. So that's one I got. And of course, it has that beautiful color also. So the next pan that I'm adding to my collection is the Pampered Chef Brownie Pan. And this is so versatile. I mean, not only can you make little brownies in it, but you can make little quiche if you like to make little appetizers. I think it's just really a pan that can take me far. So I was really excited to have this. I think this is something that I'll get a lot of good use out of. And it's just, the quality is amazing. So I was excited about that. Again, I am telling you the wrong names of these items, but they will all be in the description box below. And then the last of my baking pans, of course, this has that beautiful color also. And this actually, when I saw this in the catalog, they were making cornbread in them. And so what you can do is you can make your cornbread, and it makes it easy to dip in your chili because you'll have like these cornbread sticks. But you can do so many things with this. So, you know, not only cornbread, but you can make other bread type items and just have them as sticks. So whatever you want to make in a stick form, you can make right here. So I thought that, again, this was a really neat pan to have in my kitchen collection. So I was excited to get that. So friends, the next item is actually really neat. It is a salad and berry spinner. I have never had a salad spinner, and I have always wanted one. And it's really neat because it's such a large size, and it also has a lid so that once you make your salad, you can use it as a salad bowl. But it has two, so you have the spinner part, but then you have two bowls, one for your berries, so you can either spin, you know, strawberries, blueberries, you put them in here, wash, rinse, spin, and then they're ready to eat. And so I am really excited to have a salad spinner in my collection. So I know that this will get good use, especially for the berries. I think it'll get more use for the berries than not, and it just feels like really this will last me a long time. So this is really a neat one here. And it has the little pump here at the top that you push and you can pump down and it spins your salad. So the next thing I want to show you are these little bowls, and these are so handy. These are handy when you're making these are little prep bowls. Again, I don't know if that's the official name for them, but it's great when you're cutting up that onion, or you know how you cut up an onion and you have some left over and you want to put it in the fridge and save it. These are what these are great for. So it's great, you know, cutting up your tomatoes, have some left over for lunch. They're great little cups to store just kind of those little leftover food items when you're cooking. Also good for prepping. They're good prep cups so that when you're prepping food for dinner, they're the perfect size. I think I have a few of these. So, hey, Mike, can you bring me the, I think with the prep cups, I thought it came in two this size, but then I think I have two smaller ones. Can you look and see? Mike's, he's being my assistant, passing me the item. So, I think it had two more. Yep, you got it. Thank you. So it had three. I have four. I have four of the prep cups. So four of these. So that is the perfect size to have six. Okay, I had that wrong. I had 6 of these. So it's 6 of the prep cups in this set. I felt like it was 2 different sizes. Do you see another size over there? I felt like it was another size that I got. So I felt like I got the prep cups, maybe the set of 4. And then it should be a set of 2 in maybe a bigger size. That's what it is. So I got a set of 4 in this size here. And this is a half a cup? Yep. This is let me see. I don't have my glasses on, so bear with me, guys. These are a half a cup. So this will fit a half a cup. And then I also got the larger one here. See, I told you I was order happy. So I got 3 sizes. So I have, this is, the glasses. Okay, this is 2.5 cups. Okay. And it has the lid to it. I just have to pull it out. And then this has 1.5 cup. you can stack them. So because they're different sizes, you can stack them in, but I like keeping my lids with my bowl. And then I have the half a cup. So I got a good variety. But again, these are great prep cups. And I love the variety of sizes because say you have a little more, say, you know, you're cooking dinner and you have leftovers, you have just that good enough for lunch, but you need a perfect little dish to put it in with a lid. Sealable. This is it. You can make your own little granola bars. And so you just kind of make your mixture, you press it in here, and then you put the lid on. I'm doing it backwards, but you put the lid on, and then you can put it in the fridge or, you know, kind of let it set. Take the lid off. I don't think you can't cook with this lid on, I'm pretty sure, but this can go in the oven. And if you have a recipe where you're cooking them, you can put them in the oven. So I just love this. So we can make our own granola. And of course, I am going to do a video the first time I do this. We don't know if it's going to be a fail or not, but I'm going to let you guys see how that turns out. Okay, guys, I know it looks like I have some little toys here, but these are not, well, these are kitchen toys, So what this is you have your handle here, and the handle accommodates whichever one you're using. So you screw the handle in, and what this is it's a press that will make an indentation into whatever food item, whether it's dough, cookie dough, and it gives you a little dip. So if I want a square dip, and then I may want to fill a quiche or something like that, it makes it perfect. So what made me want this is I was watching some videos on the Pampered Chef site, and someone took their cookie dough, they took the round one, I believe, pressed it in, and baked the cookie, and it made the cookies into a little cup. And then once she had her little cups, she poured a dab of milk in it, and it was the milk and cookie in a little cup. I thought that was so adorable. How neat that would be to do for your kids or if you're entertaining. I just thought it was the neatest thing, and it made me really want these. It sold me on these. So, but you know, it's not only for cookies, it's for any type of kind of doughy item that you have that you want. I even wonder if you can do like maybe a pasta or something like that. It could be neat to do like ravioli or something. I'm not sure, but I thought this was a really neat gadget to put in my gadget collection. Okay, friends, so the other thing I got a new citrus squeezer, and I love this one because it's not plastic. It's actually, I want to say it's cast iron or it's iron. And it really feels like one that will last me forever, and it feels like a good one. And so I am excited to have this in my little kitchen tool. So it's just a simple citrus press. Okay, friends, the big baby that I got this big cast iron pot, which, oh my goodness, can you imagine the chili that can be cooked in this? And it goes with the set. So the set that I got was the pot and the pans. They were a 3 set that I got. You can buy them individually, I believe, but I got the set because through my party, I think it was, if you have a party, I think in this month, if I had a party in February, I got, I forgot how much, this was really, really expensive, but it was like half price, even lower than half the price. I think it was 60% off. So I was like, I'm going to jump on this because this is something that you'll have forever. And I can just imagine this fall making a nice chili in this thing. So I'm excited about that. And you guys, you know it's in my gray color. When have you seen a cast iron pan in my gray color? So I was excited about that. So, and it is, boy, is this baby heavy. Thank you for joining me. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, which will be tomorrow. Have a beautiful day, my friends. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.